So this is how you can connect your YouTube to the TV. So if you want to watch something on YouTube with your phone and you want to connect it to your TV, this is the best way how. Open up YouTube and then choose a specific video that you want to watch. Now, there will be four buttons at the top right: autoplay, that connection thing, captions, and settings. So you're going to want to tap on that connection thing, which is the second button, and it's going to start searching for a device or a TV that you can connect to. But before it does this, it's going to ask you if you're going to allow it to find other local networks, and you're going to want to tap on allow before you do that. Now, you can either choose AirPlay and Bluetooth devices, link with TV code, or learn more. So for AirPlay, basically you can do that with your Apple TV or any kind of Bluetooth device that can connect to the TV. And then link with TV code is basically if it's built in your TV or your TV is giving you a code that you can connect to. That's pretty much how you enter it, and then connect your phone or the YouTube and so that you can watch it on TV. And yeah, that's about it. All you have to do is configure whatever you want to pick here and you'll be good to go. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.